Now your right hand is going to start off playing octave Ds. That's a D here and a D here. Then octave E's. E here. Then octave G's. G and G. You'll do that sequence of 3 notes 3 times. After the 3rd time, you'll jump down and do this. All I'm doing is walking up in the white keys starting from B. So octave B's, B here and a B here. Octave C's, then octave D's again, then octave E's. So play it together, it's now what you're going to do is play octave D's, then octave E's, then octave C's, followed by drop down to octave A's. So what I'm doing is playing octave D's, octave E's, then octave C's, then octave D's again, octave E's. Now I'm playing octave A's. And that's A here and A here. Play that again. Then I'll end it by doing this. So basically what I did was play octave D's, octave E's, held it for a second, then played octave G's, then I repeat. Repeat. And so on. Now your left hand is going to be playing mainly arpeggios. Now what's going to happen is that the first one being this A, C, E, and a B up here. Now an arpeggio is basically a chord played from one note at a time. So I'm playing an A, C, E, and a B. One note at a time, put it together fast. It sounds something like this. That's really an A minor sustained second, inverted. So I'm playing an A minor here. Then if you add the second, it would be a B. But instead of playing the B down here, I'm playing it an octave higher. So it's an inversion of the A minor sustained second. And if you want to learn more about chord theory, you can check out my R&B 101 Volume 1, the Smooth Lessons, and I'll break down most of these chords. But proceeding with the tutorial, you'll start off with that. Next chord, what I'm doing is I'm playing G, B, C, and an E, arpeggio as well. Next chord, playing this arpeggio, F, A, C, and then A up here. It'll sound something like that. So from the top, so are the first 3 chords. Now we jump down a little ways on the keyboard. The 4th chord played is a C major 7th, played arpeggio. And that's C, E, G, and B. So play that once. Then I'm going to play this arpeggio chord here again. I'm using my right hand to play this A because I have a tripod in the way. I can't reach it with my left, but it's basically F, A, C, and an A up here. Played arpeggio. Then I'm going to drop back down and play this. So this is a D, F, A, and C. Play that once. This next chord is F, A, C, and E. So basically that's an F major 7th. Played arpeggio. So after you play this F major 7th, you're going to drop back down and play this D major 7th again. Then you'll add an E as a separate note. So you'll play the arpeggio first, play the E, then repeat from the top with that chord there. Alright, I'm going to add both hands together, but I'm going to play it slow, so bear with me. You guys already know each chord, so if I mess up, just think of the big picture. Okay, so we'll start. What I'm doing is I'm playing the arpeggio. Just about halfway through the arpeggio, I'll play my first notes in the right hand. Or you can play it right when you start the arpeggio, it doesn't matter. And when using the pedal in the song, every time you play a new arpeggio, you can basically release the pedal and play it again, and hold down the pedal again. So I can hold it here, release it before I play this next chord, and then play it once I do play the chord. Release, hold again. Release, hold again, and so on. You can repeat it in that fashion.